What's up, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and today I have a new video for you guys talking about the Infinity processing system. I just had joined this system about a day ago, and this is it comes with some good training, and you guys that's new to online. It comes with a lot of product packages that you could be able to use to market your business and any type of business, really, whatever business that you decide to get in. And it has like 3 product packages that you can select with this platform. You have the first starter level, which is $50, and it's a one-time $25 excuse me, $25 admin fee. And you get introduced to a lot of training with this with the first one, and then you get even more with the elite level, which is $150 and $25 admin fee. The same thing, and it's no monthly fees. As you can see, with the pro level, it's $300. So with this type of platform, it really breaks it down what how to market. And the top 3 things that you need for marketing is knowing how to get traffic, get leads, and close sales. Whenever you know those 3 type of things to do, you will be successful on your online marketing business. So here in the back office, you can see where all the training is. It has a lot of ways you can create your own automated funnel. Things like what to say. Where people ask for certain information, has a closing script, and this is with the pro level. You want to do your best to get all in, so you can get your hands and get access to all the training that this platform has to offer. You can see Craigslist, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, how to purchase paid traffic, Facebook mastery, 200 pre-written ads, and 6 image ads. And this is all the training that you get with the pro level. But if you guys only can start off with the starter pack or the elite level, go ahead and do so, and you can pay the difference once you get a hold of that. You can pay the difference to get to the next level. Now, the thing about it is, if you start out at the $50 level, you only could be able to get the $50 commissions. If you have the elite level, you only could get the elite level in the $50 starter pack. If you start off as the pro, you could get all 3 product packages that you can have the resell rights to. So that is the benefit with the Infinity processing system. You could be able to get all those types of benefits, and teach you how to market your business online. That's the name of the game. It's knowing how to get traffic, get more eyeballs to your opportunity, and also being duplicatable for others to do the same too, because you want to build a good network, a good following, when you have people that do the same thing that you do. You have to be coachable, you have to be a leader, and you have to really be able to explain yourself so other people can learn from you, and y'all can have a successful business. So that's what I wanted to really go over, with the Infinity processing system. Like I said before, I had just started, and I'm learning more and more about this whole system and how to operate on it. And if you want to get started with me today, the link in the description will be below. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel as I make more videos, tips and tricks that can help you out on your marketing journey. And I'm here to help you guys. I love to help people and get them moving in the right direction. So once again, this is Double Up with Astro. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.